Welcome back to One to Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Wells Fargo mortgage account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Wells Fargo mortgage login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it will get you to this page. On this page, click on where it says sign on. Once you click on it, you will get to this login page. On this page, you'll have to provide your username and your password. So go ahead and enter your username. After that, enter your password. And if you want to recheck your password, you can click on this icon and it will reveal your password. If you want to save your login info for next time, you can click on this check mark. And in case if you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on this link to recover it. And if this is your first time, you can click on this enroll button to register for a new account. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials, then click on the sign on button. Once you click on it, you will be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I will catch you on the next one.